Come build this beam console with us. From raw planks, picked up at a local lumber, to the finished piece. First things first, cut the lumber, so it is easier to manage the planks. Then we flatten both sides, to get that perfect glue up. Always use the guard, but look how beautifully this machine eats those edges. Then we start gluing up these planks. After clamping them all down, and lightly cleaning off the glue, we do it all over again. Cut, plane, glue, clamp, rest. And now we start cutting down the mitered edges to make the legs. Basically 8 sides that will create 2 boxes. Long glue up equals to sides. Next, it's time to glue these boxes up. Tight bond moment here. And now we cut the top's edges so it can sit on the legs. Putting that handsaw to use. Dry fit time. Front and back top, trims glue up. And now it's the fun part. With a wire brusher, let's brush these planks down. And another dry fit. Now we're staining inside the boxes, because after it will be too hard to reach. Final glue up, putting all together for good. We're sanding it down to 120 grit only. We don't want the brush marks to come off, but we also don't want splinters. Our client chose the early American stain. It's a classic color. We sprayed 3 coats of water-based polyurethane. Let it dry. And done. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below.